Pandas, keep only true values after groupby a data frame. I've been working on a data frame with user underscore IDs, date time objects and other information, like the following extract. I've grouped users with, and then check for no single data time objects. I've obtained the following Boolean data frame. Which is fine for my purposes to keep only user underscore ID with a true must value. Now I would like to keep only the user underscore ID values associated to the true values, and write them to a new data frame with pandas.to_CSV, for instance. The expected data frame would contain only the user underscore ID with more than one date time object. How may I have access to the Boolean values for each user underscore ID? Thanks for your kind help.
Assign the result of df.groupby user underscore ID datetime dot apply lambda g column len g 1 to a variable so you can perform Boolean indexing and then use the index from this to call assign and filter your original df. You can then call to underscore CSV on the above as normal.
First, make sure you have no duplicate entries. Then, figure out the counts for each. Finally, figure out where the indexes overlap.
Vídeo ou poema, licenciar-se